Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to another video. So this is the first time that I'm pressing the record button in a few months. And a lot of changes in that time period, starting off with, of course, the fact that I began college a few months ago in August, like the end of August, and now it is November 3rd, 2024. So it's been quite a few months since I've last uploaded. But we have a lot to talk about, just to see how college has been going until now and just life in general. So, the first few months of electrical engineering. So, I think the first thing that we need to start off with is what am I taking this semester in my first month of college? It's mainly gen eds, but let's go ahead and get into it. So, first of all, we have chemistry one, like your gen chem, just chemistry one, I guess. I think it's like almost the same at every college. Then you have physics, particle mechanics. It's like your first main physics class for engineers. So yeah, physics one, and then you have calculus three because I did one and two in high school. So after calc three, I think I'm done for my degree path in terms of calculus. I think next semester I have differential equations, but we'll see. But yeah, calc three, and then I have an honors seminar class because I am in the honors college of the school I go to. So I have to take like this little seminar class. It's like 3 hours, but it does count as a like 2000 level course that I would have to take in my senior year. So I guess it kind of just takes an elective out from there. Next up, we have Digital Logic 1, which is the first electrical engineering class within my school besides like the Intro to Electrical Engineering one, which I couldn't get on because I don't know, it just got filled up. So I was on the wait list and I never got off of it. So that is a class I'm taking next semester. And then just like physics lab. There's a lab portion of the particle mechanics one. It's like a 3 hour lab that's only worth 1 credit hour. So that's not fun. It's not appreciated, but you know what? It's okay. It's whatever. All right, so let's talk about some of the changes that I've noticed within being in college compared to high school. So first of all, is that while there is a solid amount of homework, they're not worth nowhere near as much as they were in high school, and classes are a lot more test based than in high school. So you actually got to lock in for these exams and make sure you do well because there's almost no room for error. For a lot of the classes at my school, no exams get dropped. So like I genuinely can't risk failing any of them in order to have a chance at like a super good grade. All right, so let's continue by saying that there are a ton of new people to meet and network with. There's like people everywhere in college, and within the engineering building, you can just talk to literally anybody and learn a lot and make connections. And upperclassmen, they're willing to let you know which classes they recommend and which professors. So don't be afraid to talk to them, especially like within club meetings and stuff. If you know any within your major, feel free to ask around, get their Instagrams, all that. You know the good stuff. So make sure you lock in and know which classes to take, which professors for following semesters. For me, this semester, I couldn't make my own schedule. So the professors, I mean not professors, like advisors, they made the schedule for me. But looking through it, my schedule's low-key kind of bad because I have 8:30s and 7:30 a.m.s, and then for like 2 days in the week, I finish at 6 p.m. That's insane. 8:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. full of classes. I mean, of course there are breaks in between it, but like nobody wants a class that late. So next semester, I'm finishing before 12 every day besides one class on Tuesdays that finishes at like 5, but it's a lab, so I think I'll be able to finish it earlier. And then something else that I've noticed is that you have to actually go out of your way in order to join clubs and participate in extracurriculars. In high school, I feel like it was a lot easier because it was just being shoved down your face. Join the club, and like there were not that many clubs, so you know exactly what to join, what all your friends are doing, what was considered like good within your high school. In college, there's like so many clubs. There's anything you could possibly imagine. They probably have a club for it. Um, so it's kind of crazy. So you have to go out of your way to find them, and then participate in these extracurriculars. For electrical engineering, I joined IEEE, which is the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers. Sorry, but that's like the Electrical Engineering Society or whatever that has clubs all over the nation for electrical engineers. So I joined that within my school. It's pretty dope. A lot of professional meetings, professional development meetings. We've been meeting up with some members of different companies, and they've given us like tours of their facilities as well as just information about what they do as electrical engineers within that specific company. So it's honestly kind of dope. And that's kind of like it with electrical engineering for right now. I'm just studying through these first few semesters, meeting as many new people as possible, and just getting these classes, gen eds done. Next semester, I'm taking circuits, so that will be cool. And then like physics, electromagnetism, DiffEq, finishing up the remainder of the gen eds before we go into those breadth electives and like electronics and a bunch of those other classes that are important for the degree. So lots to learn, lots to do. I do have a lot of homework. Yo, this week I have 3 tests. I have a digital logic test on Wednesday, chemistry test on Thursday, and a calc quiz on Friday. So I might have to lock in this week and actually do well because I don't know, these past 2 weekends were hollow weekends. So, I was going out having fun, meeting people. But now it's time to dial in and finish up and do well. But yeah, that's kind of it that I have for this video. Appreciate y'all watching. Stick around, I'll try to upload more. This is like one day where I actually went home and I'm not in my dorm and I could just talk to the camera for a few minutes. I'm about to go back to my dorm in like half an hour. I'm gonna edit this video and try to get it up super quickly, and then I can go and continue my night and study a little bit more. But yeah, I'll see you guys back here sometime. Peace out.